Welcome to this demo class on object-oriented programming. Myself, N. Karthikeyan, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC, Government College of Engineering, Sengipati, Tanjavur. So in this video, just I'm going to differentiate, compare the concept of class and interface. We know that the class is collection of properties. It consists of both methods and as well as members. I mean the data members. Same way, the interface is also same thing, but there is some difference we have to state it between the class and interface. We know that if you want to implement the concept of class, we have to use the keyword as class. But if you want to define an interface, we have to use the keyword interface. So next one is the classes are for a class, we can able to create an object. By using that object, we can able to access all the properties of the object. But actually here interface supports an abstraction, so that it will not allow, the interfaces won't allow to create an object. If you are trying to create an object for an interface, it creates an error message. And the next thing is reusability implementation. It means that it's the process of using the concept already existing class definition or interface definition to some other classes. So normally the extends keyword normally used to extend the property of one classes into another class. But here we are using the keyword implements. By using the keyword implements, we are going to use the property of the interface property into the class by using implements property. Next one is for data type support for, the data type support for data members. Normally inside of the class, it may be a non-static, static, or maybe a non-static member, and final as well as non-final members are supported. It means that it will allow any type of variable data type also, like for different data type. But actually in the interface, it will allow only static and final data type. It means that the common memory will be allocated, and as well as the value is fixed. It is like it's a constant. And the next thing is access modifier. So normally, means that if the class supports all the access modifier like the default, public, private, and protector, but interface it will allow only public. And next thing is method definition. It means that the class contains method definitions. It means that the class allowed to define the logic of the method inside of the class. But actually the interface to provide only the abstraction, so that the definition of the method is not allowed inside of the interface definition. So it will be implemented only inside of the derived class. Next one, abstraction. We know that the class may or may not be act as an abstraction, so that the 0 to 100% depends on the level we are going to abstract. So sometimes there is no abstraction is not applicable. So 0 to 100% we can able to vary, but actually here for interface, it supports 100% of pure abstraction, because it won't allow to define a method inside of the interface. Next one, the type of inheritance support. So normally in the class supports only 3 type of inheritance: single level, multi-level, and hierarchical. It won't support multiple inheritance, but the interface support all the 4 type of inheritance. One is called single level, multi-level, multiple, and as well as hierarchical inheritance. So these are the 8 major differences between the classes and interface. So the interface is not allowed to create an object, and also same way we can define a constructor also. If we want, we can add constructors. So constructor definitions are allowed, but in flow it is not allowed to define a constructor inside object. And maybe if you want, we can another one more thing. So here no partial implementation applicable, means that no implementation of the logic allowed. It means that for a method, here if you want to create a class, yes, we have to use the properties combining class and interface. For combining class and priority, it means a priority for classes and interface, priority for implementing classes and interface, highest priority. It means that the extend keyword must be defined first. Highest, it is a lowest. Means that the interface is implemented after extends. So these are the 10 major differences between the classes and interfaces in Java. Thank you.